everyone. Today I am going to show you how to control a servo motor using a joystick and an Arduino. This is an Arduino board. It's a microcontroller based on the Atmega 32UP IC. You will also need a servo motor. You will also need a wire to connect the Arduino to your computer, a joystick module, a few jumper wires. Now connect the wires to the Arduino. The schematic is in the description. Now that everything is connected, let's move on to the code. Now type in Arduino IDE in your browser and go to Software Arduino. Now download the latest version, or you can use the online version, which is called Arduino Web Editor. Open the Arduino IDE app, paste your code in here, go to Tools, select your board. In this case I am using the Arduino Uno, or you can use the Mega as well. Select the COM port, then press upload, and it will upload your sketch to the Arduino. When it's uploading, a yellow colored light should flash on your Arduino board. Once it is done uploading, it should work. If you uploaded the code successfully, it will work like this. This is a 180-degree micro servo, so it will not turn full 360 degrees. Thank you for watching my video.